Hello everyone, today we're back. We're going to be replacing this oil burner here. Customer does not have heat, so we're going to just stop and highlight some points along the way. But right now what I'm going to do is start time lapse, and you can watch me get this thing ripped out and get a new Williamson set in its place.